Hello everyone, today it's going to be something special, the beautiful catfish, or you call it sangter, the sangter curry or the sangter ambottik or the sangter pulimunchi or the sangter or the catfish lovely curry. Okay, this is around 2 kilos and it's going to be a monster cook up today. And finally they're chopped into lovely small cubes, but I can tell you, you need to have good tools to cut this fish, especially because it's pretty tough. Alright, once you have your fish cut, you put a bit of salt and clean it well, and then your ingredients in a mixie. You can put a bit of 1 spoon of turmeric powder, long Kashmiri chilies around 15, small short chilies for the spice around say 7 to 10, 1 onion, 1 inch of ginger, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, some garlic, salt to taste, and of course vinegar, all into this mixie. Alright, and then mix them all together. Make sure you have your curry leaves for your tamper, and for your mixie, when you mix, please make sure you add vinegar. You can top it up with water later, but not too much of vinegar. Like I said before, maybe you need to add a bit of water, right? Not too much. Okay, so once your masala is ground, you just chop half an onion. Take a nice dish that should hold your 2 kilos of catfish, and then put your heat on and add some oil. Not too much, not too much. Once your oil is hot, there you go, add your onions, right? Stir them well until they are a bit light brown. Okay, not dark brown, light brown. Alright, as the masala is frying, okay, you could drop in a few garlic cloves if you need to, but it's alright. Fill in water, and there you go. Perfect. Okay, you can add more water if you want to. There you go. Let it fry a bit, and you start leaving oil. There's the time it's ready to drop your catfish or terde or sangter. Okay, nice and steady, nice and steady. Time now to drop your fish. Okay, mix well and add water if required. Mix it well, add water, add salt as required. Okay. Keep an eye on it every 10 to 15, I say 10 minutes. And remember, this fish in Konkani is called sangter, and in Tulu it's called terde, and it's really a very delicious fish, and it's going to be really tasty. I can tell you that. Remember to taste it, and if you need, add a little bit of salt. Okay, not too much, not too much, and you could also add some water, but again not too much. Okay, so there you go. The catfish or the terde or the sangter curry is ready to be eaten. Enjoy and enjoy your weekend. Okay, thank you guys.